7 weird animals that can live without a brain and survive, move, and hunt in ways science struggles to explain. Some creatures survive without a brain, yet thrive in ways that defy logic. Imagine a world where movement, feeding, and reproduction happen without a single thought. Welcome to the bizarre reality of 7 animals that don't need a brain to live, and some of them are shockingly resilient. First, jellyfish. Floating through oceans for over 500 million years, the jellyfish has no brain, heart, or bones. Yet it pulsates gracefully, senses prey, and avoids danger. Its entire body functions with a decentralized network of nerves called a nerve net, coordinating movement without conscious thought. Jellyfish can sting, capture food, and migrate across oceans all without a central processor. Some species, like the immortal Turritopsis dohrnii, even revert to earlier life stages, essentially cheating death. The jellyfish shows that life doesn't always need intelligence to flourish, and its existence is a mesmerizing dance between biology and sheer resilience. The jellyfish's simple biology hides one of nature's wildest secrets. Some species can essentially live forever. Without a brain, they sense environmental changes through tiny sensors around their body. They adjust pulsations, hunt tiny prey, and avoid predators using pure instinct. Scientists have studied their DNA to understand how they reverse aging processes. The jellyfish may be the ultimate example that complex thinking isn't required for complex life. Floating elegantly in oceans worldwide, the jellyfish challenges our ideas of intelligence, longevity, and what it truly means to survive. Second, sponges. A simple animal with no brain, nerves, or heart. These unassuming organisms filter water to feed, moving nutrients through their porous bodies. Despite lacking a central nervous system, sponges can detect light, touch, and chemical signals in their environment. They can even heal themselves and communicate chemically with neighbors to defend against predators. Some species live for thousands of years, silently thriving on coral reefs. The sponge shows that survival doesn't demand thought. It demands adaptation, patience, and efficiency. The sponge's simplicity is deceiving. Its cells can reorganize if the sponge is cut into pieces, effectively regenerating the entire organism. Scientists study sponges to understand cellular communication without a brain. They respond to changes in water quality, temperature, and chemicals, coordinating survival with pure cellular teamwork. Some sponges produce compounds with medicinal properties, hinting at untapped potential hidden in their brainless bodies. For an animal with no central control, the sponge proves that life can be efficient, intelligent, and resilient in ways humans are only beginning to understand. Third, sea star, commonly known as starfish. The sea star has no brain, yet it hunts, moves, and even opens shells with incredible precision. Using a decentralized nerve ring and sensory cells at the tips of its arms, it can detect light, touch, and chemical signals. Sea stars can regenerate lost arms and sometimes even entire bodies from a single limb. Their coordination comes from a distributed system. Think of it as a team of tiny, independent managers instead of a single CEO. The sea star challenges our assumptions about how intelligence and action are linked, proving that a brain isn't necessary to solve complex problems in the wild. What's even crazier? The sea star can survive without its central body if an arm remains attached to part of the central disc. Regeneration allows a single arm to grow into a fully functional new starfish. While lacking a brain, Sea stars navigate complex reef environments and hunt efficiently using simple reflexes. Each arm thinks locally, yet the system coordinates beautifully. Evolution has engineered a living machine where survival emerges from distributed control, not central intelligence. The sea star reminds us that brains are just one way to organize life, and nature often chooses radically different strategies to achieve astonishing results. Fourth, hydra. Tiny but immortal, the hydra has no brain, yet it eats, moves, and reproduces effortlessly. Found in freshwater environments, it uses a simple nerve net to coordinate movement, capture prey with stinging cells, and respond to light. The hydra's cells constantly regenerate, making it effectively immortal under ideal conditions. Despite its tiny size, it senses the world around it, reacts to threats, and even performs basic feeding behaviors, all without a centralized brain. The hydra demonstrates that longevity and survival can be engineered entirely through cellular networks and instinctive responses. Even wilder, the hydra can reproduce asexually by budding, creating clones without any thought or planning. Its nerve net coordinates movement, feeding, and reactions independently. When a hydra is disturbed, it contracts immediately. No brain required. Scientists study hydras to understand aging, regeneration, and cellular coordination. In this tiny creature, life functions flawlessly, without centralized control. The hydra reminds us that evolution can craft survival strategies that seem impossible to our human minds, proving that complexity doesn't always require intelligence. Sometimes it just requires resilience, adaptability, and a touch of biological magic. Fifth, sea squirt. The sea squirt has an unusual life story. Its larval stage has a simple brain and nerve cord, but as it matures, it digests its own brain and becomes a stationary filter feeder. This brainless adult attaches to rocks or coral, filtering water for plankton. It may seem helpless, yet it survives perfectly without thought, relying on automatic cellular processes. The sea squirt shows that brains aren't always essential for survival. Sometimes evolution decides mobility and intelligence are only temporary, just enough to reach adulthood, and then life continues on autopilot. Adult sea squirts may lack a brain, but they live in massive colonies, sharing chemical signals to regulate growth and reproduction. They sense changes in water currents and plankton density without thought, reacting automatically to survive. Their life strategy is simple yet effective: settle, filter, and reproduce. This brainless lifestyle has persisted for millions of years. Evolution doesn't need intelligence to create efficiency. The sea squirt demonstrates that in nature, survival can be fully automated. Biology itself is enough. Sixth, bacteria. Bacteria are single-celled organisms with no brain, but they dominate the planet. They move, eat, and communicate chemically in astonishing ways. Colonies form biofilms, resist antibiotics, and even cooperate to hunt or defend, all without centralized intelligence. The bacteria prove that life can thrive through coordination and chemical messaging alone. Some species survive in boiling springs, Arctic ice, or deep ocean vents. Life doesn't need neurons or a brain to flourish. It only needs the right signals and responses. The microscopic world of bacteria is a reminder that brains are just one of many survival strategies. Some bacteria exhibit surprising collective intelligence. Swarms can navigate obstacles, hunt, and defend using chemical trails, even though no single cell thinks. They adapt to antibiotics and environmental shifts in real time. Scientists study bacterial communication to inspire robotics, AI, and medicine. Brainless yet brilliant, bacteria redefine survival. Life at this scale operates on instinct, cooperation, and feedback loops rather than cognition. The microscopic battlefield of bacteria is as ruthless as it is clever, and it proves that even without a brain, life can be astonishingly sophisticated and unstoppable. 7th, sea cucumber. The sea cucumber may look like a simple tube on the ocean floor, but it survives without a brain. It moves, eats, and defends itself using reflexes controlled by nerve rings. When threatened, it can eject its internal organs to escape predators, then regenerate them later. These bizarre defense mechanisms require no thought, only automatic biological responses. The sea cucumber proves that complex survival strategies can emerge from simple, decentralized systems. Its quiet life on the seafloor hides astonishing resilience, showing that brains aren't the only path to thriving in the wild. Even stranger, the sea cucumber interacts with its environment chemically, sensing changes in water quality and nearby predators without a brain. Its movements are slow but purposeful, guided by instinct and nerve signals alone. Regeneration and defense mechanisms are pre-programmed into its biology, allowing it to survive harsh conditions. Scientists marvel at how this brainless animal executes complex behaviors automatically. The sea cucumber reminds us that nature often finds ingenious solutions, and that intelligence isn't the only path to survival. In fact, sometimes the simplest life forms have the most shocking tricks. From jellyfish to sea cucumbers, these brainless animals prove that life doesn't always need a central processor to survive, and sometimes extreme survival depends on instinct, regeneration, and clever biology. The next time you marvel at the animal kingdom, remember, brains are just one way to navigate the world. Some of the weirdest, most resilient creatures don't even need one.